Gurudwara Majnu Ka Tila, a walk down Sikh history. Sufi mysticism often has to do with such passion that it borders on madness. Gurudwara Majnu Ka Tila, or the Hillock of Majnu, is a Sikh shrine located in North Delhi. It is named after a Sufi hermit Abdullah, who acquired the name Majnu, meaning crazy, because of his fanatic pursuit of God. History. It all started when Guru Nanak Dev rewarded Majnu with the boon that this hillock will be remembered to eternity by his name. Majnu was thus rewarded for his undying faith in God. From then on, the hillock of Majnu has gathered for itself numerous instances of importance in Sikh history. Guru Har Gobind, the sixth Sikh Guru, visited here on an invitation from Emperor Jahangir, which led to his imprisonment at Gwalior. He was released, and within him 52 other kings. The Guru returned to Delhi, and it is from here that he restored their lost kingdoms to them. The seventh Guru, Guru Har Rai, visited here to acquaint Aurangzeb with Sikh doctrines. He is said to have performed a number of miracles here. Up till now, no Gurudwara existed at the site. It was only with the conquest of Delhi by General Baghel Singh that a Gurudwara was established here. Significance. The Gurudwara Majnu Ka Tila bespeaks of a quaint equation between a seeker of God and religion. Prejudices of religion did not tarnish Majnu's pursuit of God. The humble saint would ferry passengers across the Yamuna free of cost as a service to God. He was a Muslim, but that did not hinder him from perceiving a reflection of the divine in Guru Nanak Dev. Ironically, on the other hand, Muslim emperors were notorious for imprisoning, torturing, and executing the successors of Guru Nanak. The hermit found his long-sought God through Guru Nanak, unaffected by the fact that he did not practice his religion. This makes us question again the eternal debates on religion. Well, Majnu sure did receive the promised reward, for despite being a place of acute importance to the succeeding Gurus, it is not by their name by the shrine is remembered, but by his. The site has also been crucial to the debate between governance and the personal choice of religion. Sikh Gurus demonstrated here time and again the resilience of a choice of faith. Choice is extremely important in the pursuit of a spiritual self. It is only when the spirit is unshackled that one can endeavor to look into it and redeem it from worldly dilemmas.